Here in Florida, Governor Ron DeSantis expanded eligibility to some school staff on Monday, but his order focused on employees at K-12 schools who are 50 years old and above. Now, President Biden wants shots for all pre-K through 12 employees, regardless of their age. So 10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido takes a look at how many vaccinations would need to be done by the end of March.
There's still that heightened sense of worry that you're going to get COVID. Being in the classroom, even with mask on.
But Spanish teacher Carolina Plested is relieved tonight. The 32-year-old is now eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine.
You actually qualify.
Definitely sign me up. I'll be first in line.
Plested fought COVID-19 last year and is now back in the classroom. A vaccine will be her biggest protection.
I'd literally do anything to not have it again.
Governor Ron DeSantis just opened up vaccine eligibility for K-12 educators that are 50 and older. But under President Biden's directive, 339,000 public school members will be eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine. At least 85,000 of them are right here in Tampa Bay.
39 educators who have lost their battle with COVID this year since the start of the school year. Almost 70,000 cases that we know of in our schools. So it's important for the protection of our teachers, our staff, our students.
The Florida Education Association has been pushing for educators to be prioritized. President Andrew Spar thinks this is a step in the right direction.
The vaccine is one of the best ways to solve the challenges that we've had with COVID.
Epidemiologist Dr. Jill Roberts says school staff are essential workers. A timeline to get shots in arms is helpful.
Say we're going to do this by the end of March is incredibly optimistic. And so to actually accomplish that is going to take some serious dedication at the state level.
To get these shots done, the president says he's going through the federal pharmacy program, though he didn't give a clear time for when those school employees will be able to register.
And this announcement comes from President Biden's push to reopen schools across the country, as he promised in his first 100 days in office. Here in Florida, schools have been open since August. But should they be? Let's take a deeper dive into how counties line up with CDC guidelines. All this coming from data pulled together at the New York Times. Let's start with elementary schools. Right now, all of the Bay Area and pretty much all of Florida is in the yellow hybrid learning area, which is like most of the country. Looking to middle and high school, the CDC recommends 3 levels of reopening there, including fully remote, and that's the category where you'll find the Bay Area and most of Florida, really. Right now, local schools remain in a hybrid format, and the governor said earlier today that they will not be closing.